What's up guys, Ethan here, back again with another video. Today looking at a $200 all-used gaming PC. Now I put this computer together with all used components that I found on my local listings, Craigslist, eBay, and other places like that. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So starting off, the first component I put in this PC was the Core i5-4570, which is a solid quad-core CPU clocked at 3.2 GHz. And I was able to pick this up for just $50, and it came included with a brand new Cooler Master Hyper TX4, which performs really nicely and is very quiet as well. So after I found that deal, I basically just decided to roll with it and went to my local Goodwill computer store, where I found an H81M-C ASUS board, which is really nice for $15, and also for $15 despite these bad RAM prices lately, I did pick up 8 gigs of DDR3 clocked at 1333 MHz. Though they are just green DIMMs, they will get the job done, and 8 gigs is good. I also picked up a 640GB Western Digital Black hard drive, which will be great for the OS and some games. And the graphics card I chose for this build is the EVGA GTX 770. And this is a really good card, and it's going to perform very similarly to something like the 1050 Ti. However, I only paid $70 for this card, which is a pretty solid deal that I see a lot. Now the power supply I chose was a 600 watt OCZ unit, which was also a really good deal because it's semi-modular and offers plenty of power for the build. And lastly, the case wasn't really a very great deal, but I did get this at Micro Center for $30 and it's the Corsair 88R. Now the reason I paid so much for this case is because I do plan on reselling this build, and I did want it to look nice for resale. However, if you're doing a similar build, I would recommend you pick up any old case you find for $5 or $10. But anyway, everything there came out to around $200, so let's go ahead and build the PC. So as you guys can see, the build process did go perfectly well, and everything went together fine as all the parts worked just as advertised. So with that said, let's go ahead and really quickly look at some benchmarks and performance numbers for this PC.